Hi friends, how are you? Good evening everyone. So many students lately started asking me and the traffic of this messages and calls increased since day before yesterday. 15th February, we expected CA intermediate results, though there was no official notification from ICI. Till today, there is no official notification from ICI stating that the CA intermediate results will be announced on so and so date. As you know, intermediate exams were conducted on December 2021. Yeah, we are in 22, so December 2021. We have expected that after foundation and intermediate for foundation and final results, immediately we thought ICI will release this CA intermediate results also, but surprisingly there are no results till now, and also there is no notification. Many students started asking me, and in social media there were so many memes, creating fun, but some students genuinely concerned and they are in a kind of anxiety and stress. So I just wanted to tell you that though there is no information from ICI, one of the Central Council members updated in his Twitter handle that CA intermediate results will be announced on 26th or probably on 27th. So that is like another 10 days from today. I understand after writing exams how difficult it is to hold your breath. You can just feel the heartbeat whenever you think of results. I understand, but this is the reality. We do not know. Next 10 days there is no chance of declaring the results unless some miracle happens by ICI and immediately they give notification and results back to back, which is not like how ICI operate. So I don't think results will come immediately. So I just wanted to tell you one thing. First thing, cool down. Results, if not today, after 1 week or after 10 days, it will come. But what are we supposed to do? What are you supposed to do in the next 10 days is very important. Many students, before going to the articleship interview, tomorrow is articleship interview, today night he will call or message, Pavan sir, tomorrow I have interview in Ernst & Young, I have interview in KPMG, or I have some interview in some mid-size local firm. So what am I supposed to do, Pavan sir? Do you think, boss, in 1 hour, 2 hours, it will be done? The answer is no. So maybe preparing your introduction, you can do in 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but getting ready for the interview, no. Acquiring the required skills, no. Or getting ready for the exam, next exam like, May 2022 exam, can you do it in half an hour, 1 hour? No. So what I want to suggest all of you is, remember one thing, throughout your life, whether you are studying or whether you completed CA, whether you are in practice or whether you are in service, to a very big extent, there are three papers that come with you. There are three subjects, that come with you. First thing is accounting standards. Whether you are employed as an accountant or finance manager, that is your life, isn't it? Second thing is auditing. You be an employee of a company or you start up your practice, auditing will be your life. Third one is taxation, be direct tax or GST taxation. So any of these three things, if you specialize, my dear friend, I'm telling you, sky will be the limit for growth and for your earning potentiality. You can earn hell lot of money, I'm telling you. I'm serious. So accounting, especially accounting standards. Second thing is auditing. Third thing is taxation. So next 10 days, even if you are a student written first group exams waiting for results, or both groups waiting for results, or second group waiting for results, whatever the category is, just open your accounting standards book, daily 1 or 2 accounting standards. So you have 10 days. So roughly we have, 27 accounting standards, in which some 4 or 5 standards are not applicable to you. Out of 29, 2 deleted, few of them are not applicable to you. So you just read that remaining 20, 21, whatever the standards are there. Every day, 2 standards. next 10 days before your results come, you can complete revision of your accounting standards, which will help you in your articleship, interview. Or if already you are doing articleship also, nothing wrong. This knowledge, whatever you are accumulating, that will be a lifetime thing, no? Isn't it? Isn't it? So please, be very cautious with this kind of things, like attending articleship interview or getting ready with your skills, which will help you throughout your academic and also career. Okay, so don't get panic. Another 10 days time is there. Let it be. Let it be. You start reading accounting standards or auditing or taxation, whatever is the area of your interest. Okay, don't worry about the results. Don't worry about the results. Nothing, sky is not going to fall that day, and that day is not going to be the day of judgment. Okay, it is only ICI results day. I understand the severity, I understand the importance, I understand your anxiety, but please cool down. Just open one book and daily 2 hours, 3 hours, keep reading, because we are soldiers, we are champions, we are chartered accountancy students. We cannot give up. Okay, so maintain your that cool temper. Happily read 2-3 hours every day. Once the results come, what to do next? I am there to guide you definitely. Okay, I'll give you study plans, I'll give you test series. Okay, I'll give you the complete roadmap of how things have to be done. Okay, so all the best till then, and I'll see you again with one YouTube live video, or a video like this after the announcements of results. Okay, all the best. Take care.